Jining Nanhuang Bangui Polyurethane Equipment Co., Ltd. was established in 2008. It is a professional manufacturing enterprise specializing in polyurethane equipment and polyurea equipment, integrating R&D, production, sales, and after-sales maintenance services. The company adheres to the concept of quality builds the brand, integrity creates the future, has accumulated many years of R&D and production experience, and has now grown into a polyurethane equipment and polyurea equipment manufacturing enterprise with business coverage throughout China and in 80-plus countries and regions around the world. The company focuses on the R&D and production of products such as polyurethane spraying machines, polyurethane pouring machines, polyurethane foaming machines, and polyurea spraying machines. Based on this, the company has also developed several new multi-component spraying and pouring equipment, overcoming the challenges of multi-component material mixing processes and the application of ultra-high viscosity materials, and has obtained several national technical patents. The products are applied in light industry, chemical industry, mining equipment, construction, building materials, automobiles, sports, aerospace, warehousing, ships, handicrafts, etc. Over the years, the company has gathered a group of outstanding R&D and mechanical design talents. Based on the absorption of advanced domestic and foreign technologies, it has created polyurethane and polyurea equipment suitable for modern production and construction processes. All employees of Jinghua Bangui adhere to the enterprise philosophy of quality leads customer first, regard product quality as the life of the enterprise, and devote themselves to creating an international famous brand.